In this video, we're going to talk about trademarks. More specifically, trademark symbols. What they are, what they're for, and which one's going to be right for your brand. If you're interested in trademarks, or you have a brand to protect, then stick around. This video is going to be for you. Hi, my name is Mike Kondoudis, and I'm a patent and trademark attorney headquartered in Washington, D.C. For over 20 years, I've helped clients protect their brands and inventions with trademarks and patents. I'm a member of the Bar of the U.S. Supreme Court and an Amazon best-selling author on the subject of trademarks and branding. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in and talk about the trademark symbols. There are three. The first one is a combination of the letters T and M, and this is probably the most common trademark symbol that most people see. This symbol is for marks that brand products. So here we're talking about shoes, cups, staplers, combs. This symbol is used to make people aware that you're claiming rights in your name or logo, even though it's not registered. And we'll talk about that in a minute. The second symbol that we're going to talk about is SM, a combination of the letters S and M. SM brands services. So if you are offering legal services, accounting services, landscaping services, you're going to want to use the SM. Again, it's for unregistered trademarks, but it provides the public with notice that you're making a trademark claim in your name or logo. The third trademark symbol that we're going to talk about is the circle R, and it's the letter R within a circle, hence the name circle R. This symbol, unlike TM and SM, is reserved only for federal trademarks. In fact, it's a violation of federal law to use the circle R if you haven't registered your trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. So, quick recap. Use the circle R trademark symbol for federally registered trademarks only. You use the TM to brand goods. You use the SM to brand services. If your brand is protecting both, go ahead and use the TM. So there you have it. There's a little bit of information about trademarks and trademark symbols. If you have a trademark, this is something you should know.